We at Rockaway Sustainable Landscaping are honored to provide landscaping and landscape maintenance services for the Mayo Clinic campus in Jacksonville. And the new Duan Family Oncology Building is no exception. This remarkable facility is home to the only carbon ion therapy program in the Western Hemisphere, making it a truly groundbreaking addition to the Mayo campus. After completing the original plantings per the design plan last year, we were excited to return this year for a revised installation. The updated vision included replacing select plantings and large palms with artificial turf and a signature sculpture feature. Following artificial turf best practices, our team carefully regraded the area, installed the proper rock base, compacted it to specification, and applied professional underlayment before completing the turf installation. The result is a clean, modern landscape that looks fantastic, will remain beautiful, and will perform well for years to come. The sculpture was created by Jefrë, the same artist who previously proposed a sculpture for downtown Jacksonville, adding a meaningful artistic element to this healing environment. We're proud to play a role in shaping this space and hope the landscape brings comfort and value to the patients, families, and staff at Mayo Clinic.